Are you ready for success? Here are 5 short tips to help you achieve greatness. Set clear goals. Success starts with a clear vision. Define your goals, both big and small, and break them down into achievable steps. This will keep you focused and motivated. Embrace failure. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Learn from your mistakes and use them as stepping stones to improvement. Remember, failure is an opportunity for growth. Practice persistence. Success rarely comes overnight. Stay dedicated and persistent in your efforts. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Your perseverance will pay off, so develop a growth mindset. Embrace the power of learning and self-improvement. Believe in your ability to develop new skills and expand your knowledge. A growth mindset opens doors to endless possibilities. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with supportive and
like-minded individuals.
Their positive energy will inspire and motivate you. Remember, success is contagious. In just 1 minute, these 5 tips can set you on the path to success. So, are you ready to take your journey to the next level? Start implementing these tips today and watch your dreams become a reality.